Hey guys, welcome back to another weather video on the winter weather that's going on. So we're going to check out these warnings here for Ryan Hall, y'all. Here we go. So here we go. So this storm, we got a winter storm warning for Jackson here. Heavy snow expected, total snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches. So this is where the snow's coming. But I live in this region. If anybody knows that I live out of this region, so where I live at here, where I am in a winter weather advisory for the same amount of snow. So my area is included in this advisory. Uniontown, Fairmont, Latrobe, Brewster Mills, Menneson, Lanier, Uniontown, Kingwood, Morgantown, Ohio, Powell. 2:30 p.m. East Wednesday, January 5th. That's when it was issued, 2022. Winter weather advisory in effect from 3 p.m. Thursday to 9 a.m. East Friday. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 3 and 6 inches. That's the accumulations. But totals around here were decreasing earlier, but they have increased here to 4 to 8 here. But this is where it was yesterday when I was showing you guys. This is where it was, 6 to 8 or 8 to 12. So, Davis, you're about to get a foot of snow. That's a lot. That's,
you don't have to get that.
That's Davis, Maryland. And there's also Mount Davis, PA, too. So this area could... There's even a... Look at this, Mom.
No, Matthew.
Sorry. There's a sliver here that hasn't... Even near Uniontown, 8 to 12. Wow. Morgantown's like right there. That's crazy good. A foot of snow right near Uniontown. That's actually insane. Hopwood, get ready for this crap. So, this storm is also producing winter weather advisory that just got hit by Philadelphia and all that. This is a major eastern snowstorm. Let's check out Pivotal weather for weather alerts. Not for storm models, for hazards. Here's the winter weather advisories here. Got and winter storm warnings and watches. Some include parts of Portland here, and there's also winter storm warnings. So we got multiple winter weather advisories. We got a lake effect snowstorm here up here with warnings, and a secondary storm here. Winter storm warnings issued for parts of West Virginia. Winter weather advisories for Fairmont, Davis, Maryland. Winter storm warnings in the higher elevations. Winter storm watches include up here. So this is if you're in a winter storm warning or a winter weather advisory. That's the main alerts on here are blizzard warning, winter storm warning, winter storm watch, and winter weather advisory, high wind warning, and flood watch and flood warning. They're all the main alerts on here.
What time is it? 4:34.
So winter weather alerts were issued
I'm
in
watching the time.
my part of the world here. So, and even parts of the Great Lakes. And there's also a storm that's developing. That's where the storm's coming out of. It's going to develop here. And it's going to produce snow from a swath of snow here. But
are you coming back here tonight, Mom?
Yeah. I'm going to try and get some of that Christmas stuff done.
So this area...
I got to get the stuff off the back.
So that area, there's that winter storm watch up here. So these areas... This is the updates on that. Okay, that's the whole entire country of winter weather. So let's check out AccuWeather for some reason. I have to go check it out. Still predicting 2 to 4, but I just think it's...
Hey, Jason.
I'm talking about the weather now.
You sleep any? How you feel?
So, okay, winter storm watches, warnings, and advisories were issued a large quarter of the United States from the south here. I don't know where they're at. But I don't see them. But this is the storm that's targeting the northeast here. You can see snow timing once again for Garrett. So the advisories, if you're in this area, you can see around 3 to 6. If you're in this area, you can see 6 to 12. And there's even a potential up here for 12 to 18. Gee, that's a lot. That's a lot of snow. This storm just got even more extreme, guys. 12 to 18 inches of snow with this storm up here. It's crazy. So this is the Garrett. Here's that storm potential. You can see that heavy snow. It could, like it says, it could become a bombo cyclone potential here. Gusty winds combined with low temperatures, dry powdery snow from available lead to some drifting and blowing and drifting snow. Because a blizzard, there could be even blizzard warnings for the coast. That's what I got a feeling is going to happen. Blizzard, winter storm advisories here, but maybe warnings here too. But heaviest snow could be included here, Fayette. So this is just crazy. Montreal, you're back in it again. So you're back in this snow. So Thursday night, get ready, Montreal. There's that potential for a little bit of freezing rain, sleet, and rain and snow out here. But Washington, you're getting slammed again. So that's just letting you know. Then here's the other Friday. Look at this, lake effect snow from these squalls, but snow. Heavy snow up here, and rain and snow near here. So this storm, if this storm goes back, it could hit us again. But even outside of us, that's why we're getting 3 to 6, because of the lake effect snow is coming too. So this is an update.
You got the kitty, huh?
Yeah.
This is an update on the storm that's coming.
Okay.
I'm not ending it. It's gonna be a 10-minute video. That's how I do. That's how I roll.
End it pretty soon. I don't want to hear no more about no snow.
I can't do a short video. I've been doing 10-minute videos on here a lot lately.
Well, then go over on a step and set.
I can't do that. I'm sorry, guys. I just can't escape that. Let's go off and read some of these warnings. Up here now. Okay, we're gonna read off this winter storm warning. I know it's for the winter storm warning, heavy snow, additional snow accumulations 1 to 3. There's also a wind chill warning here. Now, this is where things are gonna get Arctic-y cold. Temperatures could be as low as 25 below zero. Extreme cold is coming too, so that's another part of this special. Oh yeah, there we go. Missouri, Fort Dodge. Wind chill advisory in effect. And in parts of Des Moines, Iowa, the high's only going to be 14 with a low of -1. So it's going to be cold too. That's strong winds too. So up here is where it's really extreme. If you look at the temperatures, wow, -20 to -30. Wow. The wind chills near 40 below. Dangerous cold continues for Friday morning. That's cold. So this is a New Year's. No, this is this cold weather. This is the main focus this week. This snowstorm, this Garrett, this everything like that. So Arctic Garrett is possibly coming in behind it. We're gonna check out our highs are gonna be really cold if you look at them. If you look at the next couple of days, look at the lows. 11, 18. It's gonna be Arctic around here as well. So it's gonna be cold. It's Arctic blast. There should be wind chill warnings on this too. So that's all I see, but there's wind chill warnings right here with the watches. right in this area that has no alerts, there's wind chill warnings here. Where you see those blank spaces at is where you have wind chill warnings, because that's what you're seeing in this. See, it says sub-zero high today. So that is where it is. Let's check out Nashville, Tennessee, put this there. Nashville's getting 2 to 3, but Kentucky. No. We didn't check West Virginia. This is where winter storm warning. Yeah, have snow accumulation 3 of 6 inches. Heavy snow expected total 4 to 8 portions of southeast Virginia, northeast Kentucky, and central northeast, north, southeast, and eastern West Virginia. Western West Virginia. So, thank you guys for watching another update on Winter Storm Garrett. I'm going to turn this up a little bit so you can finish off with the guy talking.
That means the humid storm. I was talking about showing you the onset. The 3 is Portland.
That's not what we want to see.
Toward Bangor, Maine, right along I-9.
The storm moves up north, so it's got to go back to my trough. It's going to go back. We're here. St. Louis, Nashville, right there. This is... Yeah, that was a little smaller a couple days ago. That's a big strip of 12 here now. That's a snowfall. And this is the whole country. Look at that. That is it.